Here we are, day 2, baby. Smile, time's running out. We got the bat pewter over here. We got his little wardrobe with his batarang and stuff over here. We got a little jail cell for the Joker to live in. Over here. There is a desk. Oh shit, watch out. A desk, got a file cabinet. Got a bunch of files on some inmates in Blackgate. And we got our last room, which is going to be a rooftop scene. And she's coming along very, very well. You cannot escape. Okay. Art gallery heist game. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo-Doo. And here's our other baby over here. We can't start till... There's the Gotham skyline. Can't start this guy. They're gonna move this whole riser's gonna move. This whole big old pipe here. We have to elbow that down. They're 90 and they go down behind that fucking wall. Because it's in our way.